What up, guys? Just an update. I got in the Zakynthos, or however it's called, a little bit ago. Rented a car and probably had the coolest drive of my life. This beach, the Shipwreck Beach, is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen on this planet. I mean, I can't even describe to you how blue and beautiful this place is. So I flew 6,000 miles for the road to be closed to get to the spot. So we're just gonna break and enter, hopefully get a couple pictures. So we bypassed the wall. Now I'm stoked because I was pretty mad. I flew 6,000 miles for this particular shot. And I get here, it's under construction, you can't go past it. But we did a little detour into the woods. And now we're gonna get a better view of the shipwreck. Because as beautiful as it is, this water is insane. Beautiful as everything is, you can't see the wreck from back there. So you need to get to the legit spot to look down into there. And yeah, that's where I'm heading to now. And I'm enjoying it. It's how blue that water is. Like, what? You know, all the tourist sailboats are coming in. You guys can see that, but this landscape is just sheer cliffs, beautiful, pristine, untouched. It's really nice out here. When in Greece, come to this beach. It's only like a 1,000-foot drop. Straight down. This place is so gorgeous. I don't know what makes the water so like light, or not even turquoise. It's just like a kind of electric turquoise, I guess. But in this little channel here, it just pops. It's like blue as I've ever seen. Milky blue, I guess you'd want to call it. But I mean, it is just breathtaking. And scary though, because there's like nothing, and there's like a 2,000-foot cliff. So looking over it, you're like, whoa! And I got sandals on, so I'm tripping over this rock. It's like jaggedy. I might not make it to film this thing or edit this thing, but we'll see what happens. So I kind of hid away from the crowd. They're up at the main spot. If you go further down, Not on that cliff, but you keep walking and you can get to the other side, which is beautiful in itself. I almost want to go check this out. I'm stoked, man. I flew. This is what I flew pretty much 6,000 miles for. For about 15 years, I've been wanting to see this exact spot, and it does not disappoint at all. I really wish I could swim in it. I might try to book a little tour later on. Since I'm around here and I got the car, I can get on one of those boats. There's blue caves at the bottom of this that are like insanely blue, and you can swim in them. It's just the way the water, like the sunlight refracts inside the caverns, or refracts. It's just like something else online. I've been itching to snorkel down in that stuff, but this is breathtaking. I'm just gonna take a few minutes and just soak this in. I finally made it. Yeah, drone time. Well, that was awesome. That's a dream come true, legit. It was a good feeling. It was beautiful. It's always a nice day, I guess, this time of year in Greece, but that was just, the drive is just like out of this world, different planet. I just booked a little tour to go to the blue caves because I was really feeling the water. I just want to jump in it, so that's where I'm headed to now. Hopefully we get some good underwater GoPro footage, some cool light angles and that. I don't know, I'm stoked. I'm so damn tired though. I've been out for like 3 days straight. I'm just blasting music, blasting energy drinks, and ripping through mountains in Greece in this little go-kart of a car. But I don't know, we'll see you soon. Yeah, see you soon.
Κάνετε φωτογραφία με το κινητό σας.
How do you do my name?
stoked. That was pretty dope. Got to see the shipwreck from the boat close up. It was pretty cool. The water is just something else there. You got to swim. The ocean was so deep you just couldn't see anything. It was like, for a second I was diving down like 30 feet. And it was just like, I couldn't tell what was up, what was down. It was crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna check out this hotel finally. Maybe I'll get some sleep. It's been like 3 days, but today was definitely mission accomplished. I got the lifelong dream of mine. Got to see some beautiful water, to swim. It was a good time. So